Maayong buntag mga kapuso, makauban nato karon sa Biz Talk ang usa sa mga star ug syempre ginaatangan sa Love You Stranger. Let us welcome Gil Cuerva. Hello Gil, welcome dito sa At Home with the GMA Regional TV.
Maayong buntag, Abby, and hello everyone.
Share mo naman sa amin kung ano ang morning routine ng isang Gil Cuerva.
Well, every time I wake up, ako, whatever time of the day it is, or even afternoon, kumakain muna ako ng breakfast food. Kahit tanghali pa yung gising ko, I will still make it a point na kailangan medyo breakfast food yung kakainin ko. Kasi I always start my day with a cup of coffee. So, kailangan medyo match yung coffee sa kakainin ko. So, ayun, I really start my day with breakfast food and coffee.
And now let's talk about Love You Stranger. How do you feel to be a part of this well-loved mystery romance series?
Alam mo, Abby, I'm genuinely proud to be a part of the show. I'm really happy, as in, araw-araw ko siyang pinanonood. And, it's really nice to see how lahat ng, characters namin really jive well sa story. At pati na rin yung sa reception sa mga fans, sa mga kapuso viewers, kasi nakikita ko yung mga comments nila, and for me it's a great feeling knowing na they like yung story namin, and they're invested in it, and ayun, the comments you've been receiving are generally good, and kaya nakaka-proud for me.
We have seen your photo with Khalil way back 2017. Kumusta naman bilang ikaw ang ka-love triangle ng real-life couple na sina Gabii and Khalil?
Well, ito really, no better couple to third wheel, not only to be a third party, but third wheel than Gabii and Khalil. Because, I really genuinely consider them my friends, and si Gabii, of course, I got to work with her sa Beautiful Justice, so yung parang bond has already been built. And with Kali naman, I've also gotten to know him from before. Yung photo na yan from 2017, if I'm not mistaken, parang birthday ata yan ni Gabii. I could be wrong, but I think it was Gabi's birthday. So it's nice. At saka I'd like to give him a lot of credit for pushing me, kasi bago namin sinimulan yung show na to, I really had a lot of, I guess naturally, as a normal person, I had a lot of doubts. I was really nervous, parang kaya ko ba to? I was suffering from a lack of confidence. And si Gabii and si Khalil talaga yung parang na-push, dude, just give it everything, okay?
Mainit ang pagtanggap ng ating kapuso viewers sa seryeng ito. Personally, Gil, ano ba ang mga natutunan mo sa proyektong ito?
From an acting point of view, or as an actor's point of view, I feel like siguro to an extent confidence is key talaga. You can't come into set feeling smaller than everybody else. Kailangan may certain level of confidence ka na, uy, kung ano mang role to, kung ano yung ipapagawa sa akin ng director, kaya ko. Whether you can actually do it or not, dapat you should have the confidence na kung ano man yan, kaya mo.
Gil, ano pa ang dapat abangan ng ating mga kapuso, lalo na dito sa Mindanao sa Love You Stranger?
There's going to be an interesting twist in Tristan's character arc without spoiling too much. Soon, malilink na lahat. And Tristan is going to have to make an important decision down the road.
Please thank all your supporters and invite them also na patuloy pang suportahan at abangan ang seryeng ito.
Again, mga kapuso, maraming salamat talaga for all your support, for watching Love You Stranger. And please continue watching Love You Stranger Monday to Thursday at 9:35 p.m. And stay tuned, kasi unti-unti nang malalaman yung mga sikreto ng Santa Castella, yung mga tinatago sa Santa Castella.
Tutok lang mga kapuso, kay mubalik pa ang At Home with the GMA Regional TV.